I hate Android Studios. It actually makes me upset. The problem is that when you do a Flutter clean, I think it wipes the Gradle file. Bruh, I'm going to shoot myself. Oh my lord, I'm gonna shoot something. I am going to shoot something. And I am about to bash my head in with a keyboard. I broke my frickin' program. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing well. The last time we were looking at figuring out how to broadcast receivers on Androids. Maybe we should just try doing it and see if it works. Alright, so this declares a broadcast receiver as one of the application components. Background work is more flexible when you need to do work that should continue even if the user leaves the app. Let me check this pixel. Let me see if this works. Okay, nothing is up here. So if I just open Amazon and I just let it run, let's see if the app pays attention to it. Oh, if the app isn't open, it doesn't lock it. This isn't tracking it. So I'm testing on like a Pixel right now. Now that I used it for the day, will it keep locking the phone if the app is closed? Is the question. Maybe I have to create a service, like an Android service. How to choose the right API for running a user-initiated background task. Task continues while app in background. Needs to continue while the app is gone. Yeah, this definitely doesn't lock the app if you shut it down. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. It does. It just needed to load up. Let's see if there was like a service built. Damn, this app is so good. It's like really, really close to what I want. I don't know how this team did it. It's such a bewilderment to me what they used. I think it is the work manager. Work manager allows you to schedule work run one time. Whereas Work Manager is a library for persistent work. Likewise, you should use Alarm Manager for clocks or counters only. Okay, so first we have to import these libraries. So I guess we'll open up Android Studio. Okay, so we need to put this in our build Gradle file, but I have never touched my build Gradle file before. It's probably this one, right? The source build Gradle file. This looks right, no? Oh, do you want to install recommended Gradle for Java? Should I just be doing this in VS Code? Screw doing this through Android Studios? I should, right? Install. Is there something for Kotlin? Which one should we do? Is this a formatter or is it? I mean, this is a formatter enough, right? All right, screw it. Cause I hate Android Studios. It actually makes me upset. The problem is that when you do a Flutter clean, I think it wipes the Gradle file. Like I think it wipes out all of these. I mean, we can test it right now. Flutter clean. Let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, it makes this .gradle file. Okay, so we can definitely manipulate this. Okay, Gradle files clearly don't work as well. Okay, so this doesn't help with formatting. Okay, that's not working either. Okay, cool. I love Android development. Yay. Alright, so build Gradle isn't working. Okay, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. This is the problem whenever you deal with like any type of mobile development or anything that's like niche. Like you get to a point where when you're like Googling things, like nobody has done it, or the people who do it just don't even consult the internet because they just know how to do it. I think it's deaf. And I don't think it's val, and I think that's messing me up. So I'm gonna try defining it and we're gonna see if that works better. And also if it does work, then I will be consulting this person. I will be reaching out to them. Okay, this is a good sign. We didn't automatically crash. I mean, that's successful, right? So that's like the first step. No, what the freak? Execution failed. 5 issues. Dependency requires libraries and applications to compile against version 34 or later. I think it was in my Android manifest file that I chose the minimum version. Let's just do this. Let's take the cop-out way. Boom. Figure that out. See what it says. It'll probably tell me where I should go. Build Gradle file. Min. Yeah, okay. 34, I guess, is what we're going with. Let's try to get this to run again. Following components will be installed. This may be why things weren't working before. And we'll see how this goes. We'll see if it passes the vibe check. And my computer is freaking out because I'm literally using up... I wonder what my... yeah, I'm blowing up the CPU. My computer is on its dying legs. I will probably shop for one maybe by the end of the year. And if this doesn't work, we will clean again. In your build Gradle file, update the build tools version. Bruh, I'm going to shoot myself. Okay, please, just work. Just work, man. Oh, no. Why? I put it in, man. I put the thingy in. All right, file, sync project with Gradle file. This still isn't working, which makes me think that we need it here. This is correct. This is correct. I don't know how to fix this. I messed up the upgrade assistant and now everything is broken. File, invalid, hashes, invalid, and restart, maybe? Is it working? It's running a sync. Hopefully it doesn't crash this time. I don't know if, oh my lord, I'm gonna shoot something. I'm gonna shoot something. In the modules, I did, man. It is there. It's right here. It's right here. Apply from Flutter root, Flutter packages. Okay, maybe I can try finding it. Maybe we can do a Flutter doctor. Maybe it can diagnose something that isn't working well. App/build Gradle. Maybe it just needs to be the first one. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, this is definitely something with this. So we have to go into here. How do I do this? How do I search by app data, local, pub, cache, hosted, pub dev, Flutter overlay, window 4.3. And then I guess we'd go in Android and we should honestly just open this in VS Code. Okay, it's not gonna let me. All right, so how do I run this again? This, right? Sync project with Gradle files. All right, let's see you cook. You're cooking. I'm cooking. Maybe. Please work. It seems like it's working better though. Could not create task. I think that's fine. Please work. I'm not asking for a lot, sir. I'm just looking to finish my app, or at least part of it. I am going to shoot something. Okay, so now we're getting this again. In your app root level, update the following lines on the Android block. Update build tool version to the chosen AGP. Is this what I'm supposed to change? What did I change before? This? I changed this one. Default configuration. I'm getting Android failures trying to import these dependencies, and I am about to bash my head in with a keyboard. Compile SDK version. Compile. There is no compile SDK version. I feel like I shouldn't downgrade. I swear, this thing is driving me crazy. There's like nothing in here that's really helping me. To Gradle properties. Where are my Gradle properties? Gradle properties. Where is this? In app. You think this will work? Just suppressing it? I don't know. I don't think so. I think this will be really bad if I do this. Screw it. We ball. We try suppressing the warning. Let's see if we break something. Someone says compile SDK. Did this fail already? Let's just double check that it failed and then we can. Okay, it failed. How to change Android SDK version associated with Flutter app. If I change the min version to 35, will it care? Okay, so clearly this isn't working because... Okay, what if we remove... These are optionals, right? What if we remove this? You think this will work? What if I do like 7? Bro, I broke my freaking program. Let's see if that fixed it. We're just trying to get back to a working state here. I just need it to work. Okay, it's loading. It's cooking. State, now to break it. Now we break it. We go back to the original thing and we're gonna break it again. Okay, it's working. It's working. We have dependencies at the least working here. Thank you guys for joining. Ow! I just hurt my shoulder. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. If you guys are checking out this video after the video publishes and I'm offline, then feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet. And that way you guys can catch me on the next stream or my next video.